Okay, so let's do this next one. Now this one is a variation of a type of problem that we've already done before. So I'm going to say 256 is equal to 1 over 4 raised to the 3x plus 2. Now this is interesting because first and foremost, I know that 1 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2 squared, which is the same as 2 raised to the negative 2. So right off the bat, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 2 raised to the negative 2 raised to the 3x plus 2. And we'll talk about that in a second. Now, 256, I can't remember how much you multiply 2 by, but we're going to find out in a second. One way to figure this out is to do what we call a prime factorization tree, which is interesting. So 256, I think is it 8? I think 2 to the 8th power. But anyways, 2 times 128. Carry the 2 down here. To get 128, you multiply 2 by 64. Carry this 2 down, carry this 2 down. 64 is 2 times 32. Carry this 2 down, carry this 2 down, carry this 2 down. 2 times 16 is how I get my 32. And then, so carry this 2 down, carry this 2 down, carry this 2 down, this 2. And then 16 you can get by multiplying 2 times 8. We're almost done here. I know the rest, but I want to go all the way to the end. So then you got this 2, this 2, this 2, this 2, this 2. And then this is 2 times 4. Let me move my beautiful face. And so I've got 2 times 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 2. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I was right. This whole thing is equal to 2 to the 8th power. So over here, I'm going to write in 2 to the 8th power. So then what I got to do is I got to take this and I got to multiply it by this. So in other words, what I'm saying is to solve this, I'm going to have this, which is 8, has to be equal to negative 2 times the quantity 3x plus 2, right? Because we have the base of 2, a base of 2. Therefore, this stuff has to equal this. So I got to distribute the 2 through the parentheses. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. And all that equals 8. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. That gives me 12 is equal to negative 6x. Divide both sides by negative 6. And I get x is equal to negative 2. That was a lot of work. First problem of the day.